Laksventures! Today I'm taking you on an unforgettable journey to one of the most breathtaking destinations in the world, Cancun. Get ready for an adventure packed with vibrant culture, jaw-dropping seascapes and plenty of tropical vibes. Let's dive right in! The moment you step foot in Cancun, you are greeted with warm breezes, turquoise waters, and the promise of endless adventure. First stop, checking into the stunning Hyatt Vivid Grand Island. Let me show you around. Hi guys, this is Laksventures and this time we are in Mexico, Cancun. We are in a very nice Hyatt Vivid Resort Hotel. Can we take a moment to appreciate this view? The Hyatt Vivid Grand Island isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. With world-class amenities, luxury vibes and a beachfront location that feels like a dream. Apparently, what I just got told, here is a lake where there are a lot of crocodiles. So let's see if we can catch one. We are now at the famous crocodile area. Apparently, we cannot catch anyone. That was a joke. But if you see here on my right side, there is a fence. So behind the fence, there is a massive lake which is full of crocodiles. In the past, some incidents happened with tourists, and that's why they had to build up the fence. So we are now here in the Hyatt Vivid Hotel, and we have a lot of activities. One activity is the bar where we can drink day and night. Most favorite drink from our team is tequila, obviously. We have the yoga area, the water cycling area. We have, sometimes when the net is there, a volleyball net. We have basketball. Hi guys, we are now on the rooftop of Grand Vivid Hotel, Hyatt Hotel, and it's absolutely stunning. Not sure how high we are, but the view is perfect to the left side. If you are looking for a mix of relaxation and indulgence, this is the place to be. But don't get too comfy. We have so much more to explore. Next up, we are heading to Isla Mujeres, a charming island just a short ride from Cancun. Think crystal clear waters, colorful streets, and endless adventure. Isla Mujeres is like stepping into another world. From snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs to strolling through its lively streets, this island has something for everyone. Pro tip, rent a golf cart to explore the island like a local. And don't forget to stop by Playa Norte, one of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Guys, this is Laksventures. We are at Isla Mujeres in Mexico, and we have a real Mexican here. Don't be confused about his US accent. Well, he grew up in Texas and used it. But in any case, I would like to know, Giovanni, what is your most favorite food in Mexico?
Lobster. Fresh lobster, grilled, boiled, lobster tacos, lobster quesadillas, anything with lobster. That's the way to go.
Great. And you also love the lobster business, right, on the side?
Lobster business, we do fishing, we do some diving. But yes, the seafood here is so fresh, so good.
Brilliant. And what is your most favorite place in Mexico?
We've been back here so many times, Isla Mujeres, but we love Cancun, anywhere on the Yucatan coast. We love Isla Mujeres. It's a beautiful beach, one of the best beaches in the world. So definitely, this is one of the top destinations.
I can see that. Beautiful sand.
Pink sand.
And very soft. Amazing, yeah. So we are here on a trip this week, few days, and I heard you will go to Mexico City tomorrow. So what do you like about Mexico City?
Mexico City, I love the history, the culture, diverse food. Yeah, there's so many things to do. So many things to do, beautiful scenery, good music, good vibes everywhere.
Yeah, and the advantage is that one of our colleagues is a DJ, so there will be a party night tomorrow.
Exactly, so he's telling me where to go and all the hot spots, all the speakeasies, cocktail bars, so.
Amazing. Good that we have the liquid IV. Yeah, and Giovanni's specialty is doing a little flips on the side. So
it's a little tradition, when I'm on the beach. Flipping around, so dedicated to Laksventures here, baby.
in Cancun, it's all about soaking up the best of what this tropical paradise has to offer. Whether it's lounging in pristine beaches, indulging in authentic tacos, or exploring its vibrant nightlife, there is no shortage of incredible experiences here. The tacos here might just be the best I've ever had. And don't even get me started on the tequila. Cheers to Cancun! As my trip comes to an end, I've picked up some tips to help you make the most of your Cancun and Isla Mujeres adventure. 1. Stay at a beachfront resort like the Hyatt Vivid for a mix of luxury and convenience. 2. Take the early ferry to Isla Mujeres to avoid crowds and have more time to explore. 3. Don't miss the cenotes near Cancun for a unique swimming experience. 4. Try the street tacos. They are cheap, authentic, and absolutely delicious. That's a wrap on my Cancun and Isla Mujeres adventure. Thank you for joining me on this journey. It's been an absolute dream. If you're planning a trip here, I hope this vlog inspires you to explore, relax, and immerse yourself in the magic of this destination. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Laksventures, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future adventures. And if you've been to Cancun or Isla Mujeres, let me know your favorite spots in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, dreaming, and finding the magic in every corner of the world. See you soon!